educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Hi, I'm Safina Aisyah, 19 years old, and I'm currently studying civil engineering in Semarang State University in Central Java. Semarang is a home to my mother. This is where she used to live with her family, and now it's also become a home to me. Semarang, the capital city of Central Java, Kota Atlas, Kota Jammu, or should I say, the port of Java, taught me the importance of cultures in Indonesia, considering that now many cultures are almost lost and damaged by external issues, and Central Java gives us flashbacks of the extraordinary and magnificent cultures of Indonesia.
Nusantaraku Indonesia.
I'm a caring and active person. I love to learn everything from anyone and anywhere. I join several organizations that allows me to learn new things and also at the same time help others to learn. Until now, I'm still trying to be a better and better person for myself and others because I believe kids don't remember what you try to teach them. They remember what you are. I'm Safina Rihhadatul Aisyah, proudly represent my beloved Central Java and ready to contribute to the education in Indonesia as a Putri Pendidikan Indonesia 2022. Matur suwun.